In another video, I talked about a fast-forward merge in terms of what's going on when we think of everything in terms of blocks, right? Building blocks getting stacked on top of one another. I just want to take a look and see what it actually looks like in the editor and from the command line when we're doing the same thing. So here I've created a file called letters.txt, and I keep adding letters to it. And each time I add a letter to it, I create a commit for the letter I added. We'll do git log one line. And we can see we have a commit for A and a commit for B, and that's everything we have on main. I've also created this little diagram over here. Right, we've got our main branch that we're on. I've marked it with an asterisk because that's the branch we're on. It has commits A and B. Additionally, we have our branch feature C. So if we do git log one line feature C, we can see that has commits A, B, and C. And now Git does a nice thing here for us. It marks that our main branch ends here, while our feature C branch ends here. This helps us see that our main branch appears within our feature C branch. Sometimes we use the term ancestor, right? The main branch is an ancestor of the feature C branch because feature C has all the same stuff from main, but it's moved on. It has some extra commits, in this case, one extra commit. So when we have this situation is when we can do a fast-forward merge. So now, clear and do git merge feature C. So we're going to merge our feature C branch into main. And so when we do that, Git tells us this was a fast forward merge. We can see up here in our letters.txt, we now have A, B, and C. And so up here, we've moved forward, right? We've got C there now. And if we take a look, git log one line, we can see we have A, B, and C. Git, again, is marking our branches for us, so we can see that main and feature C are now at the same point. Whenever we do a fast-forward merge, this is what happens. Right? It brings the branch being merged into up to date with the branch that we are merging in. So then when can we not do a fast-forward merge? So one situation that can arise is where in addition to our branches feature C and main, and we've merged feature C into main, we did a fast forward, they're identical. But imagine we had also created a feature D branch, and we had started working on that before feature C was completed. So then we have A, B, and then D has been added. Well, taking a look here, you can see that feature D, here's feature D. It's marked. Notice we do not have in here main. Main is not a subset of feature D. Main is not an ancestor of the feature D branch. So at this point, we would be unable to do a fast-forward merge. We'd have to do something like we'd have to rebase our feature D branch. Or if we wanted to merge it just as is, we could create a merge commit. And we'll take a look at both of those things in another video.